Welcome back, everyone. While AI and automation are transforming many industries, some jobs remain less susceptible to being replaced due to their reliance on human skills and traits that are challenging for AI to replicate. Friends, in this video, I am going to talk about jobs that AI cannot replace. First one is mental health professionals. Therapists, psychologists, and counselors provide emotional support and guidance that relies on empathy, human connection, and nuanced understanding of individual experiences, area where AI still falls short. Second one is creative professionals. Artists, writers, and designers use unique personal perspectives and creativity that AI can mimic but not truly innovate. The human touch in creating original content is difficult for AI to replicate. The third one is healthcare providers. While AI can assist with diagnostics and treatment recommendations, doctors and nurses provide care that involves complex decision making, personal interaction, and emotional support that are beyond AI's capabilities. The next one is social workers. Social workers help individuals and communities navigate complex social and emotional challenges. Their work requires empathy, judgment, and understanding of human behavior in a way that AI cannot fully grasp. The next one is teachers and educators. Educators adapt to individual student needs, inspire, and provide personalized learning experiences. The human element in teaching, which are empathy, encouragement, and adaptability, is hard for AI to replace. The next one is skilled tradespeople. Professions such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters involve hands on tasks that require problem solving in dynamic and often unpredictable settings. The manual skills and practical experience needed for these jobs make them difficult for AI to replicate. Next one is research scientists. Scientific research often involves creative problem solving, formulating hypotheses, and interpreting complex data in ways that require human intuition. AI can support research, but it cannot replace the innovative thinking of human scientists. Last but not the least are the beauticians. While AI is revolutionizing many aspects of the beauty industry, it is unlikely to replace the human element entirely. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.